The red line we just kind of ignore because that's just going to be opposite of the green line here, showing that as of last week, we have both the small speculators and the large speculators short the dollar and short the dollar pretty big. This candle we'll find out more about on the weekend, but I imagine they probably got more short as it continued lower here. And the reason that's interesting is if we go back and look at the other times in the past and we look at price, when we got both of these guys short, they started to short in this area right here, right before a nice big sustained bounce. Let's keep zooming back. They were both short. Well, the large speculators got short right here before this monster run. They were also both short in this area right here where we were bottoming out, right? So these guys are wrong a lot, especially on the dollar, short in this zone right here, and so on and so forth. So we're seeing a lot of this action in which people are betting against the dollar, and they're betting against the dollar after this massive collapse. So the question we have to ask ourselves is, do we think now is the time to be shorting the dollar, or potentially could this create the scenario of a short squeeze? So in any sort of positive news that would be affecting the dollar positively, now that we know that there's fuel to this fire, we could potentially have an interesting short trade.